Hey, I'm Ray. Come along for an epic Christmas week of cycling. Y'all probably wondering.
Go!
Nice work. Huge.
Oh, it's good.
Average 34 km an hour up there?
Yeah.
You finally hit your...
Come on, Mom.
What's going on? This is the Monday, the first day of the Christmas week. It is raining. We need this bad boy. This is gonna protect my ass.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I was gonna go do the MAAP Pacino ride to La Perouse, but everyone's bailed, too wet.
That's what she said. Michael.
Welcome back to Ray's Wet Rants. It's a lovely summer's morning and all my friends have chosen to stay in bed. And I don't blame them. Beautiful. Stunning. I'll catch ya at the park. Before cycling, I would never be awake at such an ungodly hour, 5 a.m., 6 a.m. in the city. But personally for me, trying to live a healthy-ish, stable lifestyle, you can't be drinking every weekend because your body doesn't bounce back as quick as it used to in your 20s. I remember in my 20s, I could just go drinking all night at the university bar.
Bruh.
And then wake up the next morning for an exam. Like, what? I wasn't always drinking, alright? I was more likely gaming. There you go. Alright. I reckon the ride's cancelled, eh? I'm just going to Centennial Park. I'm Ray.
Oh,
Tim? That's me.
Yeah, I'm from Melbourne, so
Oh, cool. How long are you here for?
just a week.
Oh, okay.
Christmas.
Nice. Another great start to the week. All left lane is bike only. Cars on the right, pedestrians on the inside. What made you come here for Christmas?
My family lives here.
Oh, okay. Whereabouts?
Broken wheels.
Ah, yep. There's only one hazard in this whole park and it's this little bump here. Yeah, that's it.
Oh, that was it?
Yeah, the little hole, sorry, pothole, yeah.
My bike's like so dirty now.
Yeah. Yeah, a little rinse. Do you want to swing by a cafe or bakery?
Yeah.
TonTon Queen Amman caramel croissant, the best sweet and the best cheese for Gus savoury. Oh yeah, that's
Excuse me, mate, you can't park there.
what?
Can't park there, mate.
A little pastry in the pocket.
Yep.
Hey, mate. So what's the plan for your festive 500? Have you planned, see you maybe tomorrow?
Yeah. See ya. Hey, howdy. Welcome to day 2. I'm riding with RatPack this morning. 5 a.m. Bidet. My loudest kit. Full pink for Christmas. So normally RatPack do a LAPA on Tuesdays. But Christmas edition, baby. It's gonna be a long ride. Might stack on a couple extra Ks. Just because I'm trying to do festive 1,000. 2 weeks of cycling every day. See how I go. So I've been a bit inconsistent with my riding lately. Life has been a bit busy. I've been away for a couple weekends, doing odd things. In November, started with a CBA bike tour, which was 3 days. Then 2 weeks after that, I went to Melbourne for corporate games, which was an amazing experience, playing futsal. But unfortunately, that meant a lot of time away from home. And my poor wife got a little bit neglected, can't lie. So, spent a bit more time at home, and hopefully I built up a few brownie points so that I can ride every day this Christmas.
Okay.
I feel like once I get to the other side of this bridge, is the Harbour Bridge, mate. Bloody icon of Australia. I feel like the ride may be cancelled. But Steve says the ride's still on. So many punctures today. Before the ride even started. Bit soft. Cool orange.
That's it.
Love it.
Sometimes they wear the brightest kit.
Yeah. Body pace. That's good. Is it? I can't tell. Like, what the fuck? The fuck? I'm barely zone 1.
Don't do it. I bet you he's got more than 100 grand under the hood of that car.
Nice of you. So I pumped like a whole gel, snakes, apricots, fueled the F up, only to start the climb up my cars and realize the road's closed. Wow. Flooded somehow. Now got all this pent up sugar.
You're now turning it on.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's like.
Oh, landslide, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
There's an landslide there.
Inception. Alright, well, plan B. Probably go back to the city. Maybe Lapa and Centennial Park. On up Prairie Road. This is because when we start climbs, this is the main climb, I guess, of the day. So I'm gonna smash it. 300 watts. Like a 12-minute effort though. I'll pace myself. Sprint finish. I want to capture that view. It's like 2 seconds of view coming down Lavender Bay.
Lulu's German pork pizza, Flammen Kuchen, Flammen Buchen. How do you say it, Matt?
Lemon cooking.
You're German.
Are you gonna try ride most days?
I've never been.
Oh. So Louis, zone 2, that's my zone 3. So I gotta hang on to his wheel. It's flying. 40 k's an hour. Yeah, buddy. Beautiful. Aston Martin. The full spoiler. It must be like some DB9 Vantage. So, just did Centennial Park with Lewis. Just around off 100k. Because yesterday I only did 40 because of the rain. And so today, every day I want to try to aim for 70 k's. So that's 7 times 7, 490. To do about 500 a week. Feeling pretty fried, to be honest. That was a pothole. It's been pretty hot, man. It's about 28 degrees right now in the city. Ugh. Let's try to sprint home. Less time on the road. Just gonna fly down this road. But when I'm tired, I do not want to get complacent. There's massive potholes. There's crazy drivers, so let's stay vigilant.
A few moments later.
Okay.
The center's nice. it, mate. Come on. Serious? I think cyclist got a bad name. I don't know if it's awareness or is it just they don't give a shit, but on a phone, texting or changing directions or something, or you know, you got people every day, 24/7 on their phones, driving, riding. That is day 3 of my Christmas road to 1,000 in 10 days. 1,000 Ks? No, 14 days. Jeez, 10 days would be insane. That's 100 Ks a day. No, thank you. You're probably wondering how'd I end up here.
Oh, right? That's a nice car, is it?
Thank you. Hello. Hang on.
Right?
Hang on. I'm right.
Nice work. Huge. Oh, it's good. Average 34 km an hour, I bet.
You finally hit your
Good one, Mom.
Stucker.
When I go put that banana, that's what he actually
Watch out for your carbon wheel. It might think you're a tree and try and run up.
Oh my god.
But I'm not a rapper.
Oh. Drake. 200 here. Congrats. One night. Have a gaze at that sunrise. Wow. Thanks so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit that like and subscribe. Really appreciate it. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.